Namaste everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dev Yogashala. In this video, I'm going to teach you back pain related asanas. So if you are new to this channel, you please subscribe to my channel and you press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And generally, this video will help you in reducing the pain in the back, whether you have lower back pain, mid back pain, or if you have the thoracic, that upper back pain, और आपको थोड़ा shoulders का भी problem है, तो I will be sharing the video soon on the problem related to the upper back, okay, the complete shoulders. So here I will be sharing you the drills and the asana practices which will help you in releasing the pain, okay. And one thing I want to tell you, generally you will get the pain because of the nerve compression between the two vertebrae, okay. So here we'll be going with the decompression of that nerve, so that will give you the relief from the back pain. Okay, so I will be showing the series of asanas. You can practice it every single day, so that will give you a good relief in the back pain, okay, in the back. And one thing I want to tell you is if you are a software engineer or could be workers here, or if you are sitting for longer time, so this video will really help you in releasing the pain from the back. So let's get started. Now you sit in simple cross-legged position here. Now you keep your spine straight. Now place your both the hands beside of the chest. Now from here, inhale. You lift the sternum maximum up. You try to make an arch in the back. Look up. Exhale. You hunch in the back. You look in head in. Inhale. Open the chest. You try to push your lower abdomen forward. You lengthen the spine, make a slight arch in the back, look up. Exhale, hunch in the back. Inhale, lift the chest up, look up. Exhale, hunch in the back. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, you look up and hold. 1. Normalize your breathing. 2. Don't strain your neck too much. 3. Just relax the neck. 4. 5. You feel the decompression. 6. 7. You feel that your back muscles are stretching. 7, 8. Exhale, hunch in the back, look in. Now you bring your awareness towards your thoracic region, that all the muscles in the thoracic is completely stretching. 5. Tracheotomy slightly. 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly relax. Great. Now from the same position here, initially we'll go with the lying down. After that we'll come back to the complete flow in the sitting. Okay. Now you initially go a little nearer to the wall. Now you lie down on the back. You lift your both the legs up. You touch your upper body to the floor completely. And you need to keep your lower body on the wall. Extend your both the hands sideways and extend your both the legs here. If you want to use the pillow, you can use the pillow under the back. If not, you can do normally. Extend your both the hands sideways. Inhale. Lift the chest slightly up. Exhale. You try to touch your lower back completely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now you will go with the plantar and the dorsiflexion of your both the legs. Inhale. Keep your toes pointed. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, you try to raise the waist slightly up. Exhale. The moment when you're bringing both the toes towards you, then you try to touch your complete back to the floor. You keep pressing it down firmly. Inhale. As your both the toes are pointed in the plantar flexion, you try to raise the waist slightly up. Exhale. Keep pressing it down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Don't forget to lift the waist. Inhale. Engage the core. Exhale. Inhale. You slightly engage the core and hold. 1, 2, 3. You feel that your lower back is completely releasing the tension. 7, 8. Exhale. You keep your both foot in the dorsey. 1. No more gap. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Now bend your both the legs. In Baddha Konasana, now you have to go with a small movement side to side. It's a kind of back massage. 2, 3. Now place your both the hands on the knees. You keep pressing your both the knees towards the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab your both the knees, and now you keep pressing your lower back to the ground. You bring your both the thighs to the stomach. You feel the relaxation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You lift your both the legs up here. Now you bend your both the legs. You hold the foot with your both the hands. Ananda Balasana. You keep pressing the leg down. Now very slowly you go with the side to side movement. 1. This will release the tension. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hug your knees. Pavan Muktasana. 1. You just stay here. 2, 3, 4. Do side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can relax the neck. 7, 8, 9, and slowly relax. You come out of this asana. Now simply lie down on the back. Now you extend your both the legs forward. Your palms facing to the ground, or you can keep your both the palms up. You can choose whatever you want. Now make sure that your lower back is completely touching to the ground. Now from here, you bend your both the legs. Fold your both the legs. Now when you check, my complete body is touching to the ground. My complete upper body is touching to the ground. Now you try to lift the waist slightly up. You try to tuck your tummy in, slightly engage. It's a kind of posterior pelvic tilt. Exhale, you go down, you slightly arch in the back. Okay, again slowly lift the waist up where your lower back is touching to the ground slightly. You tuck your tummy in and slowly come back. Inhale, you lift the chest up. Try to make an arch in the back. Exhale, inhale, make an arch. Exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, make an arch. Exhale, and slowly relax. Now we'll go with the next. You fix the palm firmly under the ground here. Inhale, Setu Bandhasana. You lift your body up. You keep engaging. Exhale. Two, inhale. Exhale. Three, inhale. Exhale. Two more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, up and hold and stay there. One. Well done. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. And slowly relax. You try to touch your complete upper back, the complete upper body to the ground. Now you grab a knee to chest here. Pavan Muktasana. One, stay here. You release the tension. Two, three, four, five, six, seven. Bring the chin to the knee. Two, one, and relax. Take a long inhale and exhale. You lift your both the foot up, hold the knees. Go with the front and back for the better relaxation. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. If you are feeling too much pain, then you can go with a small roll front and back. Now this will decompresses your nerve. 4, 3, 2, and relax. Inhale and exhale. Now you extend your both legs forward. Now you lift your right leg up. Now you bring this leg, bring the thigh to the stomach, you keep pressing it down. Engage the core, you lift the head up if you can. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to the same. Well done. 3. You lift as much as you can. 4. Well done. 5. 6. Up and hold slightly. 1. You keep pressing it here. 2, 3, 4, 5, stretch, keep your spine straight, 7, no more arch in the back, 8, and relax. Now from the same, you lift the leg up. If you are finding difficulty in holding the foot, you can use the towel or the belt. If not, you can bend the knee in the micro slightly. You try to keep your foot flat. Simply hold here, 1. You feel that your lower back is reducing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You lift the head up. You drop the leg as much as you can. 1, 2, try to touch here. 3, 4, 5, do as much as you can. 6, if you want to bend the knee slightly, you can. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again hug your knees here, 5. Well done, 4, 3. Now you bring the right hand to the left knee, extend the another hand sideways, inhale. Exhale, you twist Supta Matsyendrasana. You drop your knee on the ground. Now you allow your spine to twist. You look towards your extended other hand. Your gaze towards your extended hand. 1. You relax the back. 2. With each exhale, you release the tension. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You bring your awareness towards the lower back as you are feeling the deeper stretch. 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Again hug your knees here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Now we'll go with another leg. You fold the leg. You try to touch your thighs to the stomach. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Well done. 3. You follow breathing pattern. Well done. 4, 5. Up and hold. 1, 2. Well done. 3, 4. You feel the relaxation. 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. You lift the right leg up. You hold the foot with your both the hands. If you are finding difficulty, you can hold the calf. You keep pressing the leg back slightly. You lift the head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Hug your thigh here. 5, 4, 3, 2. You bring the left hand to the right. Another hand extended sideways. Exhale, you twist Supta Matsyendrasana. You feel the deeper stretch in the lower back, the complete back is releasing the tension from the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Again hug your knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you fold your both legs here. Now you bring your left leg in Ardha Padmasana position. You lift the leg up. Now you keep your both hands inside and try to interlock your both hands to the back. Now you keep pressing the leg back and front. 2, well in 3, 4. You try to lift the head up now. 5, 6. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also hold from the top, or you can hold like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly relax. Now from the same position, if you want to keep your legs, you can fold the legs simply. You very slowly drop the leg here. Exhale, you twist. This will give you the good relaxation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale and exhale. Now we'll go with the next. You keep your another leg here, right hand inside of the leg. Hold the thigh with your both the hands. You keep pressing it back. Lift the head up and slowly go back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now slowly bring this leg here. You deep inhale. Exhale, twist. You look towards your extended hand. You feel the beautiful stretch in the back. 1, well in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale and exhale. You keep your both the legs in Baddha Konasana. You just relax the legs here. 5, 4,